Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to resolve error 0x80070043. The network name was not found. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error 0x80070043, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu. In this, you need to type gp edit and hit enter. Just maximize the screen and expand this one. Under computer configuration, you can see here administrative templates. Double click and expand. After that, double click and expand on the system. After that, you can search for the logon. You can see here logon. Just click on that. Come to the right section. Here you need to find always wait for the network. You can see here always wait for the network at computer startup. Double click. If it is selected as not configured, just click on enable and click on apply, then click OK and close this window. After that, just press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type %temp% and hit enter. Here you will find all temporary files. Just press Ctrl A and click on delete. Just skip this one and close this window. After trying, still you are facing the issue, just you need to click on CMD. Just click on Start menu and type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes to allow. Here you need to copy paste all these three commands one by one. Just by Ctrl V you can copy, by Ctrl C you can copy and press Ctrl V to paste and hit enter. And you need to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of the first command, just copy the second command and paste it here and hit enter. Copy the third command and paste it here. Just press enter. And after completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix error 0x80070043. The network name was not found. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.